Let's do this. Aye. We dey on lockdown. You dey do workouts. You better chow, better chow, better chow, chow, chow. We dey on lockdown. You dey do workouts. You better stop it, start to chow. We dey on lockdown. You dey do workouts. You better chow, better chow, better chow, chow, chow. We dey on lockdown. You dey do workouts. You better stop it, start to chow. Your mates are chowing. You dey do workouts. Hey, you better chow, better chow, better chow, chow, chow. This life now one soul. You dey do workouts. You better chow, 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 chow. Hey.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma, and if you're not very new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. I make videos on health, fitness, and all-around wellness, and especially for African audience, especially Nigerian audience, because I'm a Nigerian. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day, but it's not like my normal what I eat in a day. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, you don't know, but I normally do what I eat in a day. Not normally. I only have 2 what I eat in a day videos. But what I eat in a day videos are videos I really enjoy making and I really enjoy watching on YouTube. But in today's video, on a normal day, I would cook the food from scratch and show you. But today is not that kind of day because I have things to do in town. I have a spa appointment. I won't call it spa appointment. A massage appointment. A masseuse appointment. By 10, it's almost 10. But I said, let me just have my workout done, get some few steps. How many steps? No, wow, we're still in 1,000 since that time. Getting a few steps so that we can just look decent and still curvy and thick. I'm not as sweaty as I should be. I think it's because the AC is on, but whenever there's NEPA, utilize NEPA because in Nigeria can be the ghetto, and So, I'm just done with my workout. I'm doing the 30 days summertime fine 2.0 challenge. The name of the challenge is kind of disoriented, I don't know, but it's by Sydney Cummings, there's an S, and she's like a YouTuber, but like an online trainer and all that. I really like her style of working out. I really like her workouts, and I like the fact that she's doing it with me. But then that's the challenge I'm doing. It's called the Summertime Fine 2.0 Challenge. It's for 30 days. I'm not going to be documenting this challenge. It's not going to be I tried a challenge. I just wanted to do it for my own self. Like I said in a previous video, I tried Chloe Ting's challenge, her hourglass challenge, and I did say I will pick up the challenge and not document it and just do it for me. So this is the challenge I decided to do, and it's just for me. And I decided to accompany the challenge with a 10,000 step every day, like just for this week, sure. So this week I'll be doing like 10,000 steps. Yeah, 10,000 steps every day for the next 7 days. I'm not sure documenting that. It's just for like me, just to keep me accountable. I found this old fitness tracker of mine and I'm just going to be using it. So far so good. Excited to go into town. I haven't gone into town for like 2 weeks. I know I'm calling it town, but I haven't gone into the city. No, I mean the city. I haven't gone out basically in a while, so I'm very excited to go out and have a massage. I haven't had one ever. I don't know, my back's been aching me, so I just said let me have a massage. If it doesn't improve, my back doesn't improve, I'll go see a doctor and just get like an x-ray and just know what's wrong with me. I'll see you when I have my shower, okay? We have a fun day ahead of us. I hope you're prepared. Let me know overhyped today. But I'm excited today. I'm going into town. Basically, I'm going into town.
make you sleep, and it has herbs inside. It's just for your eyes. You can hear the scent. It has tea tree.
Yeah, I can get to sleep.
Yeah.
What other thing? What other things inside this?
Peppermint and eucalyptus plant.
We just got back, and when we got back, I had a wig on, but when we got back, as we got back, I was hungry, I was shaky, I was like, where are my issues coming from? Wherever it's coming from, let it go away. So we took out the wig, had a piece of corn, drank some water, recuperated, then started filming. But we are back. The whole experience for today was a very good experience. I don't know, filming today, I don't know, vloggers are trying, but overall I've realized vlogging is not like my strongest suit, but we give thanks. But today is not really a bright and vibrant day, that's the first. But then again too, it was a good day to like go for a massage, and the massage experience was a beautiful experience. So the place I went to go have the massage was in Wuse Zone 2, or is it Wuse 2? It's in Wuse 2, it's around Wuse 2, and the place is, I think the place is very new because a lot of construction is going on around there, but then the place was very clean and nice, and the whole experience with, you know, nice music and relaxing stuff, it was beautiful. And I got there, you know, it's my first time, so there's always a JJC moment. I got there and the lady was like, oh, take off your clothes. I mean, I just thought like, okay, maybe it's like how you do facials, you just remove your top, and they're like, oh, even your jeans. I'm like, wow, nice, let's go there. So, you know, I had the massage. Like, I feel a little bit better in terms of my back. Like, my upper back feels nice. I feel relieved of tension, but like my lower back is still in a funk. But we thank God, we give glory to God, because we feel a lot better. So what was I gonna say? So after it, like, my sisters are also doing like makeup classes, and it was very not too far from where I had the massage. So after I had that massage, I went to see my sister. Then after we talk, I was like, oh, hunger has struck again, right, brothers and sisters? So I decided to go down and get them snacks, and got them like chocolate, got myself almonds, and the crackers I had like 2 of it. I had one. After I had one, I was like, God, heaven, you know I can't see well. I don't know when next time I see my house. So I decided to have 1 more. So I had like 2 and like, I think maybe 12, I don't know, a handful of almonds. So that's what I had. And then after we left my sister's makeup school, we then went to For You to get yogurt and like toilet paper for the house, and for my dad. The yogurt's for my dad, the toilet paper is for us. This house, we're actually many, so the toilet paper. So we did that, and then we got back home. So that's basically what we did. I'm pretty excited to come back home, because today I'm having a meal I haven't had in 7 years, and I'm super excited. Like when I say my mom loves us, my mom does love us, and she's making this meal. Like the meal is so dear to my heart, it's so dear to my lungs, it's so dear to my chest. And the meal we're having today for dinner is called my akpa. So it's like making moi but with corn. So for my international audience, because I want to believe I have international audience, moi is a bean cake. It's like a savory beans cake. So when I now say my akpa is corn. So my akpa is moi corn. Okay. So rather than making the conventional beans cake, you're making a corn cake. So it's a savory corn cake. So and you don't I think you can bake it. I think you can bake it, but then the standard way of making it is to steam it. So you either put it in leaves like a banana leaf, or you put it in a tin like this, or you put it in like aluminium foil and like in a pot and water and steam it. So that's basically how you make it for like 30 minutes. Inside the bean cake is what is inside the corn cake. But then what makes the corn different from the beans is that the corn has like it's not as smooth as the beans cake. It's a little bit chunky, not like chunky, like not like chunky, but like you can like have bits of corn in there. So I don't know, it's more fun to eat and more enjoyable. I'm just super pumped. I wish I could have showed you people the process, but like while we were gone, my mother, God bless her soul, she has already like made the mixture, like put it in a plate, and we're just waiting for like 6 o'clock to like steam it, because in 30 minutes it would be ready. So I'm super excited for that. I can't show you how it's made, but I hope like this description would help you understand what I mean. But if you want to just make it, go and watch. And let's say you want to go and make it and you're not from around here, like from Nigeria, just watch a video on how to make moi or how to make a beans cake, and exactly the same way, but then don't grind the corn to be totally smooth and put the normal ingredients. It's just basically pepper, actually it's just pepper, onions, crayfish and oil. Wow. I only made 6,212 steps. That's what we've been able to do so far today. So I'm sweating. We're about to juice. That's why. So we're about to juice this, like blend it and like sieve it. So that's what I've been doing. That's why I'm sweating like this. I think that's what we're going to have like as a drink for the moi. This is what it's looking like. So this is what the corn cakes are looking like for now.
How just this? I don't know about it, but
Mommy,
you said we didn't eat this in Abakaliki.
Mommy, this was
You
our
didn't
breakfast,
before
lunch, and dinner.
Ajeba when we're scraping it.
Oh my God. You should have given us spaghetti those days.
I'm telling you.
My akpa.
My own portion.
Thank you so much for watching. And today too was a good day. I'm still on that summertime fine 2.0 challenge. That girl needs to pick a better name. Sydney Cummings, if she ever watches this, she needs to pick a better name for her challenge. But then the summertime fine 2.0 challenge. And today's day 20 for me though, but I think she's on day 24. But today is my day 20, and then it's every day she uploads a new video. And you know, here in Nigeria now, there's never data, so whenever that one comes up and we're done with these ones we have, we will get the new ones. But we keep it downloaded. We don't go and watch it. We download it and then we exercise to it. But then today was like Pilates, and there was no jumping required. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really truly appreciate Appreciate you. Hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your very first time checking out my YouTube channel. Hope you like the video. The like button really helps my channel grow and lets YouTube know that, you know, this is like your favorite and somebody else should actually consider her as his or her favorite. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in my very next video that is coming very soon. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.